All right, the drink that we're about to make is called Cotton Candy. This is version number 2. And let's put our ice in a glass here. We're going to serve this in a martini glass. So if you want to put some ice and water in the glass while you're making the drink, that'll get it nice and chilled. All right, let's add 1 shot of Malibu rum. And also 1 shot of peach schnapps. There we go. And next we will just give it a splash of grenadine. There we go. Now this drink is actually, we're going to shake it up really well. This drink is actually not as sweet as you think. And believe it or not, even tough guys might like it a lot. So if you like the taste of cotton candy in form, then order a cotton candy number 2. Set up your glass and strainer and go ahead and pour it out. Perfect. There we go. Bottoms up.